Hello friends, today in this video we shall discuss the definition of company as per Company Act. It has been provided in clause 17 of section 2 of Income Tax Act. So let's see what is company. Company means any Indian company, any body corporate incorporated by or under the law of a country outside India. Law of a country outside India. Company means any institution, association, or body which is or which was accessible or which was assessed as a company for any assessment year under Indian Income Tax Act 1922 or which is or which was assessed or accessible under this act as a company for any assessment year commencing on or before first day of April 1970. Again, company means any institution or association or body, whether incorporated or not, and whether Indian or non-Indian, which is declared by general or special order of the board to be a company. So company means these four. There is a proviso: such institution, such association, such body shall be deemed to be a company only for such assessment year whether commencing before first day of April 1971 or on or after that date, as may be specified in the declaration. So this proviso is the proviso of this sub clause. So here is declaration word has been used, which is declared by general or special order of the board to be a company. So the proviso against this: such institution, association or body shall be deemed to be company only for such assessment year or assessment years commencing before first day of April 1971 or on or after that date, as may be specified in the declaration. So that's all about the company as per Income Tax Act. Thank you for watching.